So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this new video that I'm going to be making about Microsoft Word. It's about the introduction of Microsoft Word to people that may or may not be knowing or have forgotten something, one or two things about Microsoft Word. So come with me and we dive into how to load it, how to load it, how to maneuver it, how to go around it, and to make life easy for you. So in the first place, you're going to be coming here to your stats and then you're gonna search for Microsoft Software. Yes, and here it will be. So you click on it and it will load. So since you're new, you're gonna be creating a blank. You choose a blank document, and when you choose a blank document, it will eventually open up. And when it opens up, you write something. You first of all write something. I also first appreciate it, how it looks like. You see it has file, home, insert, draw, layout, references. You like go through and see how best you can. So now we're going to write something. So I'll write something about the channel. I'll say welcome to this new video, which I will be handling Microsoft Word. So first of all, when you see a red like this, you right click and look for the correction, because sometimes the corrections are there, but this time I don't know why. So Microsoft is the word. Yes, Microsoft Word. So after we are done with that, we are going to see the few basics on how to go around with this Microsoft Word. Number one, I want us to see how we can save. Yes, we can save. There are two options. You can press Ctrl S on your keyboard. It will lead you to this window where you save, or you can just go to File, say Save As, choose a location where you're going to save. So you could be you could say you want to save it on this PC, but on this PC where? So usually I save my documents on the desktop. So when you go to the desktop, you choose a name for you come here on the file name and you choose a name for the document that you're writing. Let's call it welcome. So after writing the file name, you come back here on this other small window. You choose you choose desktop, because that's the exact location where you want to save it. So after you're done with that, you say save, and it will automatically save, and even the name up here will change. You see, save to this PC. So that is one way on how to save. Now number two, I want us to look at how we can copy and paste. So how we're going to copy and paste, depending, if you want to copy everything in the document, you can press Ctrl A. It will copy everything. It will highlight, not copy. It will highlight first of all, because to copy you have to highlight. Yeah, so if you want to copy, you can put the cursor at the start of the word that you want to copy. Let's say I want to copy welcome. I'll move, press and hold, left click, press and hold. I'll highlight like this. Then I will right click after highlighting. Then this drop down menu will come and I say copy. So if I want to paste, I have to enter a new paragraph by pressing enter. Then I press Ctrl V, or you can press Ctrl V like this, it will be pasted. Or I can just press right click at the new line and say paste, and it will be pasted. I can also repeat that and say paste again, and that will be pasted. I can also repeat that again. See, paste, and that is it. So remember, we have looked at how to save the document, and it's very important you have to keep saving a document. So every time you want to save, you don't need to go back to the other procedure of file and then location. No, now that you have learned that, you can just say Control S and it will be saved, like you see here. Yes. So next we're going to see how to make the words bold. We're going to see how to make the words bold. So you're going to highlight all these. I said highlighting, you left click and highlight. Yes, left click and highlight and move to the right. So after you have highlighted, you come here at this menu and you say bold. But also, if you want to have a shortcut for that, you can just say after highlighting, you say Ctrl B. That will be the shortcut for making the words bold. Yeah. So now I want us to look at another aspect of Microsoft Word. I want us to okay, let's also first finish making the words italic. Italic is another style of the words. So after you highlight again, then you come to this I here and you press it. You see, this is what it will give you. Yes, this is what it will give you. So you can just say, if you want to select everything and highlight everything, you say Ctrl A and then come to italics, and it will highlight everything like that. So let's say you want to underline a few words in the document. You highlight the word that you want to underline and you say Ctrl U. Yeah, and that is it, and the word has been underlined. Yes. So I don't want this video to be very long, but let me give you a few other aspects and we see. I want us to now change the words, the color of the words. Yes, let me first remove this, make it normal. But before we change the color of the words, let me also take you on a journey to change the font. So the fonts are found here. The most professional font is Times New Romans. Yes, so you choose Times New Romans, but you realize that when you move down using the arrow key on the laptop or on your computer, the fonts keep changing. So here you get to choose which font you like to use. I don't know if you get that. So you keep changing and changing. So me, I like using Bookman old style. There's a way it looks very professional. Yes. Yeah, so this looks good. That's how you change the font of the words. So now I want us to change the color of the words. So we are going to highlight the first sentence, then come to this one and choose a color. You can choose to leave it in black or come and choose here from the standard colors. You see, when you just move without even pressing, you just move the cursor around, the words keep changing the color. So depending on what you want to change, yeah, so you choose a color. At this point, let me choose red. Excuse me, let me choose red. So you see, we have changed that. We can now choose to change the color of this one here. To come back here again and say this is going to be blue, like that. Or you can say, let me change this to yellow. So then you say, let me change this to green, like that. You see, so that is some of the ways of how you can change the color of the words. So we're going to select this again and put the colors back to one normal color, black. So now we are going to see how we can make these words capital letters even without pressing the caps lock on the keyboard. And this is how you do it. So you highlight, let's say this sentence is a heading of what you're writing, so you highlight that, then you come to this button here, change caps case, then you say uppercase. Uppercase is the capital letter, you know, yeah, so capital uppercase, and everything, the highlighted sentence will be changed to uppercase, just like that. Yes. So if you want to also increase the size of the font of the words, you highlight again, then come here and choose the size that you want. You see, you choose the size that you want. That is how you increase and decrease the size of the words that you have typed. So I guess that's it now. But remember, you have to keep saving. Every time you type something new or you change something new, you have to keep changing. Yeah, so now we are going to save by pressing Ctrl S. That is a shortcut for Ctrl S. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about I'll be talking about the shortcuts that you can use in Microsoft Word, and they will be very helpful to you as a user. Yes. So that is just some part of. So thank you for watching. That has been part of the introduction. In my next video, I'll be handling shortcuts and a few other buttons in Microsoft Word that are very important to you as a user. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, share, like, and comment for more content like this. So feel free, if you have anything that you don't understand or that you would want me to handle, write it in the comment section. I'll be there to help you out. Thank you so much. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.